welcome back to Benchtop Motorsports. I'm Ryan. It's hot. We've got a new tool. This is the Hercules portable bandsaw benchtop stand, universal. I've got a Bauer porter band. We're going to see how well this thing fits and check out some of its functionality. Here's my Bauer porter band. Now the way I used to use this, I'd have one of these little Velcro deals around the trigger. I've got a foot switch from Swag Offroad. This guy would be positioned like this, held in my clamp on my fab table, and the go-kart disc would sit here and would allow me to use it as a vertical bandsaw. So this Hercules jobber has an on-off switch that hits the trigger for you. It's got some clamp stuff in boxes here. That's going to clamp the porter band to this. You got your safety chain. So this comes all the way up. You've got a gas strut with a quick release right on it. So you can hook that down to here. So now this functions as your horizontal bandsaw as well. Feels good so far. Let's get the box open, get the bandsaw clamped up to it, and see how she chooses. Alright, so a lot of people don't read the manual, but here's what it says in the manual about compatibility. Hercules, Bauer, Milwaukee, DeWalt portable deep cut bandsaws. So that's what all these different mounts are for. Now it wants you to pull the Allen out of there. And then take these two bolts out of the front housing, and go ahead and put the bolts back in with this bracket on. Cool. Turning my porter band into a real bandsaw.
Yeah, that's awesome. You all right there, bud? You want a hand grip?
No, I got it. So I got this up here temporarily. I locked the carrier down. So now I can line up the bandsaw with the slots here and then adjust it in to grip on the handle. So far it looks good. I just got it all together. Got the switch, which is a little bit on the janky side, but it's a universal deal, so like I get it. The cups that hold the handles on seem real nice and firm. I got her plugged in. Let me grab a clamp for this and we'll do a quick test cut. All right, so there's the Hercules portable bandsaw benchtop station thing. I'm really digging it. I just cut this piece out of 3/16 for the brake lever for the mini pit bike. Video on that coming soon. Check that out when it's up. So far, really like it. It was fairly quick and easy to install. Switching back and forth between vertical and horizontal, you got to take the platter off, which is just the 2 screws here, which isn't that big of a deal. I can see you losing the screws more than anything, but that's not horrible. I do like this, the safety lock. So you have to pull that in order to push the power lever down, and that locks in, and you flick it and it pops back up. I like that because it prevents accidental activation, especially if I'm using the foot pedal from Swag Off-Road. You can unlock, or you can turn the power off when you're not wanting to use it in the vertical position with that foot pedal. So nothing happens. Other than that, I'm going to put it to work. I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Go check these out at Harbor Freight. If you're interested in one, I would suggest it for $100. Ain't a bad deal. Also, if you're interested in the foot pedal from Swag Off-Road, go check that out as well. Links in the description below. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.